Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how we got this look, just keep on watching. Isn't she so gorgeous? Okay guys, so today we are doing prom makeup on Kyla. We didn't film the full thing just because, honestly, I totally forgot. I usually don't film full makeup tutorials unless it's like a planned thing. But in this case, she was so kind to let me film. So basically, we're just kind of doing a neutral look right now. Her base is already done. We used literally 2 eyeshadows for this natural, beautiful look that she's got going on here. And we're always covering the lash band. She used J Styles lashes in the style Essential for this look, just to give her a little bit extra. Since we had already put all of her liquid down, we're going to go ahead and just set the face. This is a very, very important part. I usually use a translucent powder. You guys can use whatever you like for this. In this case, we ended up using Airspun. That is my tried and true. And we're just setting her face so that none of those liquids that we put down move and her makeup lasts all night. Now we're going in with some bronzer and just really bronzing up the face. We're going to do a little bit of contour, so you'll see in a second where I go ahead and add some banana powder and just carve out the face, let it melt into the skin for a little while we finish up her final details. Possibly sometime soon we'll do a contour video for like the nose, especially because I feel like people have this obsession with having that really snatched looking nose. I do as well, but I go back and forth with it. Sometimes I like it more natural, sometimes I like it more snatched, but it really looks beautiful on Kai. She has a great face structure, and then just her skin is beautiful, so makeup just glides on perfectly with her. Also, adding a little bit of contour toward the lip area. This will give you a really pretty pout, just doing this extra step with the bronzer. And then here we are going to go ahead and start detailing underneath the eyes. Now, depending on how long your lashes are, that's kind of how much shadow you're gonna need on the lower lash line. That's really how I decipher, but like I said, to each his own. This is just my personal preference in the way that I do makeup. My clients hate this part, but we have to do it, making sure that we get some eyeliner so that we blend the lash. Now, finally onto lips. There's a couple steps when it comes to lips, and you're gonna see, just to get a beautiful pinky glossy lip, that we go through a few steps. It's a very important part of the look, and I really believe that it brings it all together, is to have a good lip on. And don't forget to blend, and I think that's part of the reason why I use so many products on the lips, is because I use them to blend out and just create a really gradient effect on the lip, just to make that beautiful pout really stand out. And then adding gloss if you so choose, which we did for this look. It just really tops it off and brings it all together. And then, like I was saying earlier, we're gonna go ahead and add some banana powder and just really sculpt out that face, allow this product to melt into the skin, and so it will stay bright all night for her. blush is a really important part of the look. I know some people don't choose to use it, but I think that especially when you're under flash photography or any type of photography, it really just brings it all together, marries all of the different colors, the contour, the highlight, everything, and just brings it into that beautiful transition. So I really love to use blush on my clients. I use it on all my clients no matter what. And like I said, it just really adds a little bit more to the face. We didn't film it, but this is the style that we did on her. It ended up coming out so beautiful, and I really love this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for another video coming out soon. See you guys. Bye.